You sell online on Shopify, but you also have one or more physical stores, and you dream of being able to ship directly from your store and offer your customers as many delivery options as possible. That's exactly what Shippingbo allows you to do, thanks to its extension with Shopify POS. Shopify already offers POS functionality, a checkout software that allows you to manage your in-store sales, but also to ship directly from your store using a mobile terminal, tablet, smartphone, or PDA. Shopify POS is compatible with Shopify Shippingbo, which can help if you don't yet have a shipping contract.
But let's be honest, the offer remains limited, with few services available and little flexibility. That's where Shippingbo changes the game. We've developed a dedicated Shopify POS extension that gives you access to over 220 delivery services directly from your checkout interface. Colissimo, DPD, GLS, UPS. You'll find all the major carriers with your own contracts or those of our forwarding partners for greater choice and competitiveness. As a result, you can benefit from the simplicity of Shopify for unified commerce while leveraging the power of Shippingbo.
There are no limits to ship from store. By connecting your Shopify POS to Shippingbo, you benefit from the platform's logistical power without leaving the checkout interface. When an order is placed on Shopify, it is prepared directly in store via the POS. And when it's time to ship, you simply click on Print a Label. That's where Shippingbo comes in. The tool automatically selects the best carrier according to your own rules, and the label goes out instantly. No manual entry, no software to open in parallel. Everything is done in the POS with a single click, and your customer receives immediate notification of shipment. This extension has been designed specifically for Shopify POS with no need for custom development. It activates quickly, saving you precious time from day one. Thanks to this integration, you no longer need to juggle several tools to manage in-store and web orders. You centralize everything, ship faster, and reduce the risk of errors. And that's not all. This extension is also compatible with our ecosystem of commission agents. These transport wholesalers offer exclusive rates and services. As a result, you get more flexibility to offer top-quality delivery and savings on transport costs. The result is a true ship-from-store strategy that's both efficient and hassle-free. You want to exploit the full potential of Shopify POS to realize your ship-from-store strategy while optimizing delivery costs. With the Shippingbo extension, your store becomes a real shipping center, connected, automated, and ready to perform. With just one tool and simplified logistics, you know what you have to do. Everyone is talking about efficiency, simplicity, and satisfaction. Shippingbo, a single language, opportunities everywhere.